I'm Pete from SKF. In today's video, we'll be showing you some of the differences between clips on the BR930548K. Now, on certain applications, you'll see the plastic clip. On certain applications, you'll have the metal clip. Now, when you purchase an SKF BR930548K, you will always have the plastic clip on the harness itself. Now, in the bag, you will get the new SKF updated metal clip. And we'll be showing you some of the differences between our steel clip versus the OE and how to properly remove and replace these clips. Now, in every BR930548K, you'll find the kit bag, which includes the SKF new steel clip with instruction sheet. Now, many of our competitors have the steel clip on the bearing, but if you need to change that steel clip to the plastic clip, it's a little bit of a hassle. And what you have to do is you have to remove the lock, and hopefully you don't break it, and pry it off, and then take this connector, hold the connector, hoping again that you're not going to break the wires, and then put on the connector. Now, when you're changing the clip on the SKF, you'll notice a couple differences between the SKF updated clip design and the OE design steel clip. And you'll notice it's designed for ease of installation, and I'll show you how easy it is to install this steel clip. Now, you go to the plastic clip, take it, pull back on the tab, slide out the plastic clip. Take the updated SKF design steel clip, and notice you will not have to remove the wire lock because it does not have the ears that go over the plastic end. And then you take that clip, slide it into the groove, push it up, locks into place, and you're ready to go. When choosing a replacement part for your vehicle, don't compromise safety. Install confidence with SKF bearings and seals. For complete product information, visit skfpartsinfo.com.